Hey guys, how are you doing today? So today we will try to unbox a few lighting accessories. That is overhead lighting. Overhead. When I say overhead lighting, is like I had few issues whenever I'm doing unboxing or if I wanted to speak something, I got to go out. Only then I'll be able to get a good lighting system. Though I have a very good camera, I was not able to do proper videos. So I don't get enough views. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to upgrade my lighting system. I wanted some overhead lighting system, so I have purchased this Godox softbox and then light stand, and I have also have an horizontal lighting system, horizontal rod, which will be very helpful when you wanted to have a lighting like this from overhead, so then the light will focus on the table. So then if you wanted to do some unboxing and all these things, it will be very easy. So that is why I wanted to have a very good lighting, or when I wanted to talk like this, so it will be very helpful. If I don't have this kind of light which is facing me, I'm not giving a good quality videos. So that is why I have purchased this few lighting stands and other things. And this is my computer. I have three monitor system. When I wanted to introduce you about the computers and accessories and all these things, so that is why I'm trying to improve my channel assets. My budget is somewhere around. See, I have spent a lot on my camera equipments and other things, so I don't want to spend much. And I have gone through a lot of videos and on YouTube, and finally I have come up with this solution. So guys, first we will unbox this. Okay, this is the stand. Okay, I have shown you all the details while unboxing it already. So let me show you how to open it and close it and all these things. This says 9 feet. It says 9 feet, and you have a 1/4 inch mounting thread, and you have a flip lock. All these things. 3 section is there. It has a 3 section. Okay, so let's go. It is a Digitech brand. Okay, so this is what you get out. Okay, first you got to. It is completely adjustable, height adjustable. Okay, it can be extended till 9 feet. So this is the height you get. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. It goes really high. Okay, it goes really high. So this is the thing. But let me try to show you. So this is the stand. Okay, so this is the stand. It has got some thread here. It's got some thread here. Okay, we will remove this. Okay, we will remove this. So this is the Godox bag. This is the soft cloth. And this is the Godox softbox. Okay, this is the Godox softbox. First we will install this bulb holder. Okay. Completely tightened it, so there is no movement. Okay, it is completely safe. This is completely safe. Full tight. I am trying to use an MI bulb. This is an MI bulb. Okay, this is an MI bulb. I'll put a link on the description to show you how it is. Okay, it comes with a screw model. Okay, it comes with a screw model, so you don't have to worry. This can be directly plugged in. Full tight. This is the full tight. Now we'll install this Godox. It is like an umbrella. This is like an umbrella. That's it. So it has to be mounted like this, the opposite side. Okay, first you got to unzip this, and then carefully install it. Let me try to increase the height. Okay, now we will zip it. That's it. It's all done. It's all done. Okay, so let us see the power. Let me put this soft cloth. So this is how it looks. I'm completely dark. I'm completely dark. This is the brightness you get out of this softbox. Okay, I'm not using any other light. So this is the brightness you will get. I'm using a normal bulb, and now I have changed this. This is the softbox, and this is another light which I'm using it. Let me show you how it is without this light. Okay, this is with the just Godox softbox. I have a 40 watts bulb inside it. So this is the maximum light you will get. Since this side is completely dark, I wanted to have another light, maybe some kind of rim light or something like that. But right now I wanted to use, I don't want to spend another 800 or 700 rupees. So I'm just going to use the light which I have here in my house. So it is just a focus lamp. I'll try to use it. I'll switch it on so that you will be able to see the difference. Okay. You see, this is the level of brightness when I have these two lights. When I have these two lights, this is the level of brightness. This side is also completely visible. This side is also completely visible. So this is how it is. This is what I wanted to do. I have placed the light here. So I'll get a maximum focus here. I'm not sure if this is the maximum because I'm not using a proper bulb. I might have to change the watts. Increase the wattage for this bulb, so then I'll be able to get a good lighting. Okay, so let us see how it works. And I have ordered one more. Stick, so that I'll be able to mount my lighting system like this horizontally, so that I'll be able to do some unboxing and all these things. I wanted the video output to be clear, so that is why I'm trying to use this kind of softbox. Okay. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye.